Hello, Dadasaheb Palke Film Festival. I am Aditya Sadashiv, a documentary filmmaker and an artist from Bengaluru. My film, The Selected Book, has been selected for the 11th Dadasaheb Palke Film Festival. The Selected Book is a documentary film on one of the most oldest running bookstores of Bengaluru, started by Mr. KBK Rao in 1946. At present, it's being run by his son, Mr. KKS Murthy, who is in his early 90s, who's still running the shop. He's been selling used books for the past 75 years. I had read an article on the Select Bookshop before making the documentary and had met Mr. Murthy, Mr. KKS Murthy in one of the book fairs, but had never visited the store in particular. But it is only after I read an article I felt the need and the urge to make a documentary film on Mr. KKS Murthy and his bookstore. Through my studio Vinyas, for the past 5 years, I've been making documentary films on one of the most rarest and unique personalities living, stories of different personalities living in my city, Bengaluru. And I felt the story of KKS Murthy and his bookstore, the Select Bookshop, can be a very interesting story which could be documented and which could be made into a film. One of the most important challenges that we faced during the making of the film was that the film was made during the pandemic, so I had to take a lot of precautions. I had to be very cautious about while shooting the film and while being in the store interacting with Mr. Murthy. Another reason would be Mr. Murthy is in his late 90s. I think he is 93-year-old right now, so I had to be a little more cautious while being around him. So apart from that, I wouldn't say there wasn't any um, specific challenge as such that I faced during the making of the film. As the entire film was shot by myself, it was edited by myself. I wouldn't say a challenge, but it was very interesting on my part to shoot the film by myself and to edit the film all by myself. So I had a connectivity towards the subject, towards the stories that I was listening from KKS Murthy. So I think that would be one of the most important aspects of the film. If I have to look at the audience of this film in a broader perspective, I would say almost all of the literary personalities, people who are writers, authors, poets, and critics would connect better to this while watching this film. The Select Bookshop during the late 60s and the 70s had become a go to place for all the Bangaloreans living during that time. So I feel most of the people who lived during that time, who experienced that atmosphere of the late 60s and the 70s, can connect to this documentary well and can become a little nostalgic watching the film and watching the store, listening to Mr. Murthy talk about his childhood days and his days of setting up the shop and helping his father run the shop and everything. So I feel people who are contemporary to Mr. Murthy can identify and can connect to the documentary very well. It basically is a film about memories, it's a film about nostalgia, about reminiscence of the older days of Bangalore. I would like to thank the selection committee, the staff, the crew of Dadasaheb Palke Film Festival for selecting our film and considering it to be a part of your film festival. I would like to thank my entire family for supporting me, for encouraging me, and for being part of this film project since its inception and supporting me through all my film ventures and activities throughout. Thank you.